The previous year question from 2024. 2024 lo mains GS3 lo vachina question. And yesterday it was the article which has been mentioned about the irrigation system. We have again resurfaced this article. See, what are the challenges faced by Indian irrigation system in recent times? State the measures taken by the government for efficient irrigation system. See, how do we start the answer for this topic? Ela start cheyachu. How do we start the answer for this topic? Come on, చెప్పండి. ఇరిగేషన్ అనే టాపిక్ మీకు అయిపోయింది అగ్రికల్చర్లో.
As of India is in water stress condition.
Okay.
Use micro irrigation. 70% of water waste will be reduced.
Okay. But actually that can be the conclusion, but it's not the introduction, right? See, you need to write the challenges India is facing when it comes to the Indian irrigation system. See, first we need to write down how India is focusing on the agriculture sector. How agriculture sector is taking major amount of water contribution from India. And whenever you write this fact, 16% of world population is in India, which is sharing 4% of world's water resources. There are only 4% of world water resources and 2.7% of the land is with India. These three facts you can use anywhere. That 16% of the world population, 4% of water resources and 2.7% of the land resources is with India. This you can use for anything regarding water, regarding land, regarding anything you can use it. Now, I will introduce this like this. See, irrigation is needed for the agriculture production in India, where 80% of the water is needed for the agriculture. But it is facing the issues. It is facing the issues like low water efficiency. You know, if I have 1 liter of water, obviously, మనం డ్రింక్ చేస్తే 1 లీటర్ మన బాడీకి యూజ్ అవుతుంది. బట్ రిమైనింగ్ వాటర్ ఇట్ విల్ కమ్ అవుట్ యాజ్ అ స్వెట్ ఆర్ డిఫరెంట్ థింగ్స్ ఇట్ విల్ కమ్ అవుట్. జస్ట్ లైక్ దట్ వాటర్ 1 లీటర్ ఆఫ్ వాటర్ ఇన్ అగ్రికల్చర్కి వాడినప్పుడు ఓన్లీ ఇట్ ఈస్ టేకింగ్ ఓన్లీ 38% మాత్రమే. The water use efficiency in India is only 38%. Remaining percentage of water is getting wasted. So that's how the water wastage is more in agriculture in India. The water use efficiency is very less in India and poor infrastructure. The irrigation infrastructure is not provided in many states. Many things we are depending on the rain-fed agriculture. 55% of the India is dependent still on the rain-fed. అంటే monsoon rainfall వస్తేనే నాకు పంటలు పండుతాయి. లేకపోతే there is no thing that can go for the crops. So this is how you can introduce this question. Now after the introduction, you can directly jump into the question. See, question is asking about the challenges. You can directly jump into the challenges which India is facing. Look at the challenges India is facing. One is the water scarcity and over extraction. See, I have told you yesterday only, India is the largest extractor of the groundwater in the world. And whatever we have extracted from the groundwater, 60% of it is used for the agriculture purposes. 60%. See, according to the Central Groundwater Board, more than 260 districts have overexploited its groundwater. Overexploitation of groundwater in 260 districts. See, how many districts are there in India? How many districts? More than 565. More than 565 districts. So 260 districts are facing the overexploitation of groundwater. That's the first thing you can write in the challenge. Second, inefficient water usage. See, water okay, extract chesa, everything is good. How you are using the water? Agriculture ki use chesna, ela vadutunnam. You are flooding the field. Field ni flood chestam. Flood irrigation ekku vadutam. Ante water daniki kavalsina danikanna ala వదిలేస్తాం water. 60% flood irrigation is still followed in India rather than the micro irrigation. So then composite water management index by Niti Aayog claims that water use efficiency in India is just 38%. 38%. Then you see the poor maintenance of irrigation infrastructure. You know, మన కెనాల్ ఇరిగేషన్ అయ్యిండొచ్చు, ట్యాంక్ ఇరిగేషన్ అయ్యిండొచ్చు. వాటర్తో పాటు శాండ్ కూడా వెళ్తుంది దాని లోపలికి. వాటర్తో పాటు సో మెనీ సిల్ట్ ఎవ్రీథింగ్ గోస్ ఇన్ టు ది పైప్స్ అండ్ ద వాటర్ గెట్స్ బ్లాక్డ్ ఇన్ దోస్ పైప్స్. దెర్ ఈస్ క్లాగింగ్ ఆఫ్ దోస్ పైప్స్. So that is also the poor maintenance of those infrastructure, already created infrastructure. Then regional disparities. How the irrigation is provided to different states in India. In West Bengal, only 20% of the fields are irrigated. And in Punjab, 90%. So that means regional disparities are there in the irrigation coverage also. Then climate change impacts. Obviously the delayed monsoon which I have talked about yesterday only. See, June 1st రావాల్సింది June 10th వస్తుంది monsoon. automatically it is leading to the delayed monsoons and it is impacting the crop diversity. Then gap between the irrigation potential created and irrigation potential used. For example, I have created irrigation potential of 13 lakh hectares ki create cheste, I am not using the same irrigation. 13 lakh hectares ki sambandhinచిన irrigation use చేయట్లేదు. అంటే నేను క్రియేట్ చేసినా సరే ప్రాపర్గా యూస్ చేసుకోకపోవడం వల్ల వాటర్ ప్రాపర్గా యూస్ చేసుకోలేకపోతున్నాను. వాటర్ యూజ్ ఎఫిషియన్సీ ఈస్ వెరీ లెస్. దెన్ వాటర్ లాగింగ్ అండ్ సాయిల్ సాలినిటీ. వాటర్ లాగింగ్ అవడం వల్ల all the salts which are present in the soil are coming up through capillary action and soil salinity is increasing in India. Soil saline అయిపోతుంది. These are all the problems faced by the irrigation system in India. And the question is asking about directly the measures taken by the government. What are the measures taken by the government for efficient irrigation system? For the measures taken by the government, we have this. Pradhan Mantri Krishi Sinchai Yojana. The first one is Pradhan Mantri Krishi Sinchai Yojana. In that, har khet ko pani means prati oka agriculture field ki water ivvali. And this also focuses on more crop per drop. More crop per drop. It indirectly talks about the water efficiency. అంటే ఉన్న వాటర్ని ప్రాపర్గా ఎలా యూజ్ చేసుకుంటాం. దట్ విల్ బి ఫోకస్డ్ బై ది ప్రధాన్ మంత్రి కృషి సించాయ్ యోజన. సో అంటిల్ నౌ 13 lakh hectares micro irrigation is provided through this scheme. And the National Mission for Sustainable Agriculture, which focuses on the rainwater harvesting. అంటే రెయిన్ వాటర్ని నేను కలెక్ట్ చేసుకొని స్టోర్ చేసుకొని యూజ్ చేసుకోవడం. That is rainwater harvesting. That will be focused in the National Mission for Sustainable Agriculture. Then we have Jal Shakti Abhiyan. Jal Shakti Abhiyan. So groundwater ni recharge cheyadam, aquifers ni recharge cheyadam, restore cheyadam water bodies ni, ponds ni, rivers ni, lakes ni restore cheyadam. So that's the main aim of Jal Shakti Abhiyan. 40,000 lakes has been restored according to this Jal Shakti Abhiyan. Then Atal Bhujal Yojana. This is especially for the groundwater recharge. Groundwater recharge kosam Atal Bhujal Yojana scheme తీసుకొచ్చాం. So until now 12% increase in the groundwater in Maharashtra has been seen because of this scheme. Then National Water Mission, where repair, renovation and restoration of more than 4,500 lakes or water bodies has happened through National Water Mission. And Micro Irrigation Fund of 5,000 crores. All these are all the schemes which are given by the Government of India to promote water use efficiency in India, to promote the irrigation potential in India. Then what are the solutions as a conclusion which you can write when you talk about this irrigation? See, first thing is obviously micro irrigation needs to be promoted, like drip and sprinkler irrigation should be promoted. There is this committee, see, water ki sambandhinchi ekkadochina sare, remember this committee, Mihir Shah committee. Water ki sambandhinchi ఏ question ichina sare, Mihir Shah committee has recommended that more than 50% of the land area should be micro irrigated. More than 50% agriculture field should be micro irrigation promote cheyali. Then we have Israel example. Then Israel is more focusing on the drip and sprinkler irrigation. Then we have decentralized water governance. Give the powers to the panchayats, municipalities to promote the water governance in India. Like Pani Panchayats, which is present in Maharashtra. Pani Panchayats కూర్చొని డెసిషన్ తీసుకుంటాయి. ఓకే, మన దగ్గర ఇంత అమౌంట్ ఆఫ్ వాటర్ ఉంది, ఏం చేయాలి, వీటిని అగ్రికల్చర్కి ఎంత వాడాలి, డ్రింకింగ్ పర్పస్కి ఎంత వాడాలి, హౌస్ హోల్డ్కి ఎంత వాడాలి, దెన్ రీస్టోరేషన్కి ఎలా చేసుకోవాలి, కూర్చొని డిస్కస్ చేసుకుంటే. Then we have the enhance the groundwater recharge through rainwater harvesting, వీటి కోసం యూస్ చేయొచ్చు. Then improve the canal maintenance and water distribution, especially Andhra Pradesh government. Andhra Pradesh government is using for canal automation of canal maintenance కోసం తీసుకొచ్చింది అనమాట. ఒక డిజిటల్ పోర్టల్ తీసుకొచ్చింది canal maintenance కోసం. So these are the things that you can write as a solution when you think about the irrigation system in India. So this is about the question and the answer for that irrigation question.